This tutorial is about creating a binary variable. A binary variable is a type of variable that consists of 0 and 1 response. Some analysis require the data to be binary data. For the sake of demonstration, let's convert a variable gender to a binary data. The process would follow the same procedure of recoding the variable into the same or different variable. Go to transform, recode into different variable, reset the previously recoded variable, and add a string variable gender into the right pan. Assign a new value gender _b stands for binary, and click change. Go to old and new variable and type in female is equal to 1 and add, and male, remember it is case sensitive. You need to type in the string variable as it is written in the data. New value will be 0 for male, and now I have female 1, male 0, 0 and 1 binary response. Click continue and press OK. A new variable will be created in the variable view. If I double click this number 13, the system item number, it will take me to the newly created variable, and you'll see I have successfully created a variable with binary response 0 and 1.